Good morning, friends. I hope you're doing well. Today we are here to review a brand new application launched today by Google called Datally. Why do we want to analyze or look at this application? It's because this is a solution to a stressor that most of us have. I know I do. I stress about data usage on my phone, how to control my data, which I don't have much control over. And then just not have to worry about that. So Google has come out with this application, and I want to show you the benefits and the features of this application. But before we do that, I want to walk you through what we have available currently on most of our phones. So we go down to the settings menu, and in there you go to the network and internet settings, and then you go look at data usage. And here you see a screenshot. Most of us will see this on our phones that shows you in a month's time how much data has been used. Now, if I want to look at specifics in terms of where this data has been used, I can click on the mobile data usage, and you can see here that YouTube has consumed the most of it, then Instagram and WhatsApp. You can probably relate to the same. It could be more for some applications and less for others. But what does this information help me with? Usage. How do I control this in a much more efficient manner? And that is where Datally comes in. So I'd like to show you this application that Google has launched that is available on all 5.0 smartphones. And that's available through Play Store. So we'll take a look at that next. So now we're going to take a look at the Datally application. On the phone itself, you will see the application that I've downloaded. And here we open up the Datally, and it asks you to start saving with Datally. So we go ahead and continue with that. We allow it to make and manage phone calls, although it won't do that for you. Help improve. You can give some feedback. Sure, no problem. And here you see the main screen. Mobile data used today. So we go into setup data saver, saving on Wi-Fi, and then you can look at managing data. So if you look at this, now the most startling feature is per hour usage. If you look at this and you compare it to what we have currently, which is on a monthly basis, that's a huge difference. So tells you right here that right before 12 noon today, I used up 140 megabytes of mobile data. Other applications using data, right there is YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. And here you see the data saver is on. So next we can look at the drop down that shows you this week usage and also the whole month. So we're going basically from an application on the phone, which is a month's worth, to a weekly and to a daily total. So that's pretty amazing. Here is the data usage for the month, pretty similar to what we saw in the standard phone usage. So managing data becomes a lot easier. The other feature is finding a Wi-Fi. So while your standard phone will look for Wi-Fi's as well, this one actually gives you directions. So you can see multiple locations that are open, that have password protected or not. And then you can get directions to these places as well. So let's say you're at a train station, you're at a mall, you're at a restaurant. You can actually go in and you can rate or report an issue. For looking at directions, it will take you to Google Maps and direct you to that location as well. So that's a great feature that actually shows you not only what the name of the connection is, but actually where it is located. That's a huge plus. The other highlights that we have is managing the data through this. If you click on the manage data part, you can go to the various apps and you can let's take a look at Instagram, for example, is now allowed to use data. So the feature that gives you the power to be able to lock or unlock applications is great. Previously in the phone, I believe what you are required to do is force stop the application or uninstall it. Here, with a click of a button, you can lock or unlock the application. It gives you more control over data usage right away. This is a great feature for it.